We have moved out today to see one of the most crystal water called I forgot the name, but it's in somewhere in Dawki. So we are here, been riding for nearly maybe 1.5 hours now. So we just stopped here for break. Interesting landscape, beautiful place. I think this is one of the places that we should all give a visit towards if we come to Shillong. And very beautiful landscape. So all our bikes are doing well still, so far no problem. So we'll be riding to Dawki. We have 1 hour 20 minutes more to ride in entire northeast region. We have just stopped here for a cup of tea. It's a long ride to, and after that we are planning to have a beautiful scenery, a completely countryside with these two rowdy bullets. And we are here in this cafe, small. We'll have a chai and we'll push on after some. We have just reached Dawki and we haven't gone for boating, but we'll be here for maybe we're going to try which restaurant is good for the lunch today, and after that we'll go. What is
border to Burma now?
Oh, this is border to Burma. Oh,
Dawki is the last village.
Yeah.
Dawki.
It's very what I call not Mukapur village be here that side.
Okay.
Sandai cave.
Khasis only. Khasis village only.
Sandai cave be here. And some village that here.
Oh, okay.
Mukapur way.
Okay, so how much the boating charge? Boating?
700.
Try here. This Bengali LT hotel. Go there. This is the food that we plan to have today. I'm going to have river fish. Pasha is going to have chicken. This is the fish that I've eaten. You get in the hotel ka naam batao. If you come to Dawki, you come to his hotel and eat this local fish. This is from the river, so you will enjoy.
यहाँ से भैया यहाँ से ऊपर तक कितना लेता है? 700.
They're saying 700 rupees if you come for boating here. Surprisingly, so many people, right?
Huh?
Not very crowded, right? Which side is? That side is, I think, Bangladesh border. Pastor and I, we have made it. We haven't not really thought about it. We have seen this spot. Just finally made it this time. So it's going to be good. Like that. Stony ground. One stone loi jalebe biya na hoy.
I'm also thinking the same. I'm looking for a little
Best one.
unique shape.
The memory, ne? Huh? Okay. Oh, okay. This is Bangladesh. इधर बांग्लादेश हो गया, लेकिन आके खाना नहीं खा सकते।
आके नहीं खा सकता है, यहाँ में रुक के जो लेना है ले सकते हैं.
नहीं लेकिन ये this is the border.
Bangladesh.
Okay. This is Bangladesh border here. From here, it takes Bangladesh border here. This one.
ये फ्रूट है, खट्टा मीठा आम जैसा.
देखो कितना एक में
10 रुपीस.
I've been planning to eat one of the Bangladesh food.
ये क्या बोलता है?
अमरा.
Amra.
So this is amra. We are going to try and see. Sour, isn't it?
Yeah, the shape is like mango. The way they cut.
ये तो खट्टा मीठा है, आम जैसा.
Sour.
Not so sour. Try. Interesting. It's like a. It's not even like
तो जैसा है. लेकिन
ये पका नहीं होता है. ऐसा होता है ना.
पता होता है.
पका होता है.
ये ऐसा इतना बड़ा गाछ होता है तो ये. जंगल में देखा है ना, जो गाछ में उल्टा पलटा इतना फल आता है, लेकिन ये खाने वाला नहीं है, ये खाने वाला है. इसमें भी ऐसे लौटका आता है जो लेचू का जैसा.
आपको हिंदी कैसे पता है इतना अच्छी तरह?
हम लोग तो बांग्लादेशी है ना, हम लोग बॉर्डर का आसपास में रहने वाला. तो घर में तो जितना टाइम में बैठेगा फिल्म देखेगा. हम छोटू से आदत है.
ये क्या बोलता है?
उसको अमरा बोलते हैं.
अमरा. ये अमरा तो आप लोग का भाषा है ना?
हाँ, हमारा बांग्लादेशी भाषा बंगाल में
अमरा.
ओके.
वहाँ में तो अमरुद बोलता है.
अमरुद बोलता है.
हाँ, टूरिस्ट वाला जो आता है ना, उनको अमरुद बोलता है. हम लोगों का गाँव वाला इंडिया से.
How is it, Pastor?
You know, but
No. Good.
it's a new a little weird for me. A little bit of mango and
Yeah.
crunchy like the guava.
A little bit sour.
A little bit sour.
Yeah.
It's a first time discovering fruits.
ज़्यादा पॉपुलर.
Just shows that we have not eaten many things
ये
yet.
लोकल
So.
बंदा भी ज़्यादा यूज करता है.
पकने से कैसे होता है?
पकने में मीठा होता है. अभी कच्चा है ना, इसलिए खट्टा मीठा है. अभी पहले बाहर आया, पकने का टाइम में इतना बड़ा होगा ये. दो आदमी एक चीज़ को नहीं खा सकता, इतना बड़ा होगा. लेकिन मीठा होने से 3-4 खा सकते हैं.
कहाँ लगे?
शाम से सोफा.
So अभी बॉर्डर इस तरफ बॉर्डर तो किस तरफ है?
वो जो बड़ा स्टोन है ना, उसका बाहर बांग्लादेश.
कौन सा?
ये जो बड़ा स्टोन.
ओ ये इस तरफ.
वो बांग्लादेश.
तो इस तरफ इंडिया हो गया. लेकिन
आप लोगों का टूरिस्ट आएगा घूमने के लिए, ये बड़ा पत्थर का अंदर में रहेगा, ये बोट का बाहर रहेगा. हमारा बंदा भी ये बोट का बाहर रहेगा. ऐसा
तो पैसा तो भारत का पैसे लेता है.
कहते हैं चाहिए तो कोई सामान लेके आएगा इंडिया से.
थैंक यू भाई.
वेलकम.
बच्चे क्या है?
हाँ बातचीत किया आपका फूड खा के. फर्स्ट टाइम खाया बांग्लादेश में. इंडिया में
अमरा.
इंडिया में एक्सपोर्ट
कैसा
करो
लगा ये?
ना. अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा है. फ्रूट.
ये हमारा लोकल बंदा ज़्यादा यूज़
ये
करता है.
फुकरी है ना?
So we have just entered to Bangladesh and ate some of the things there. This is. You're from India or Bangladesh? What is your name? Abdullah. Abdullah is just here. You're from nearby or? Okay, you just came for.
Dhaka to tour by Silet.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Good to see you.
Okay.
Yeah.
See you.
Bye bye. So just been towards the Bangladesh border, and we are here again to India. Now I went international border within a second, came back again. We are planning to pick up some of the stones. This is a little bit greenish, so I think I will take this. But still try to find out. in my childhood days, I have always lived near to the rivers. So for me to come to this Dawki river, Dawki is one of the greatest time of my experience. Just remember me of my childhood days where I used to be with my cousin on the riverside and play around the sand and catch some fishes. Great experience. A friend here is just here in Meghalaya somewhere. He dropped the bike.
I dropped the bike today first time. You see this?
Yeah,
this
is a good experience.
Yeah,
But it's a good bike, right?
yeah, it's a great bike.
Yeah.
You can have one.
Yeah, Domino is a great
But-
bike. Yeah.
But your bullet is the trend, you know.
This is really powerful.
This is 45
40.
bhp. And,
Yes.
And it glides around through the highways.
Yeah.
100 is not an issue, you know.
Yes. 100. 100
And
is.
you can ride for longer periods of time and have no problem.
Yeah. I'm here in the KBR vegetarian, just before the Dawki. It's one of the stops that you can stop when you're here. Good place to stop over. Nice place. And me and Pastor Marin, we have a cup of tea. We have just stopped here in this place.
Oh yes.
The one of the best landscape.
Right.
Very nice. We're able to
Amazing.
stop here.
Amazing. You can write poem easily here.
Yeah. Yes. So this is the beauty.